Like that, clean up on our way out. Take our tools, because we got to cut this one short if the client don't want to pay. But I do clean on my way out while I'm out here taking my tools. This is a sad project to not see through till its end, but this is what I got right now. Came in, made the entrance bigger. This wall was straight this way, you know, so now you walk in the house, you got your coat closets here, you can have some kind of end table and shoes right there. You know, I could even make this an entire pantry wall right here, maybe about 15 inches. So you got a coat closet, a pantry wall, and then leave that open. I could take 1 foot away from there if necessary for that wall, if it's necessary, because we're trying not to purchase cabinets to put on the top. That'll pretty much double the kitchen budget. Not to mention also make the kitchen look smaller. You know, we're trying to go for that modern look with no cabinets on the top. Both sides, maybe just a long shelf or 2 on that side. Just something on the bottom, chandelier in the middle. And that way when you're in this space here, it feels more open because you can see and touch the walls on the side. You're not really in that box, you know? So sink here, fridge there, and a long row of cabinets, the stove right there in the middle of the room right there, so that you see the range hood looking beautiful in that spot right there. Being the elegance right there, and then we got a chandelier in the middle of that, and then the kitchen is just looking fire. So the stove is there, and then the last cabinet there. It's just open as fuck. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll put a bar area on this side, because I do want to leave this open. As you can see on the floor here, there was a bar there before, but I'm really digging it open. So the most I'll do is take 12 to 16 inches on this end to make there be a pantry for the kitchen, because that's the only thing this kitchen is missing. I also could put the pantry on this wall too, but then that would like essentially put a wall here and we wouldn't be able to see through it. So I'm still trying to decide on that. I actually don't know. But that's it, man. This house pretty much just needed to put down the floors. And then it was gonna be a different place. Couple different things make drastic changes. Floors, range hood, you know, nice chandelier, and then rearranging, like changing the closet, you know, because now it's flush with that wall. Now it's flush with that wall, and then we have that much more walking entry space to feel like we have an open concept, you know? And get rid of these ball lights, and, you know, we gotta definitely get a flush mount light there so that we don't notice it. Like, we don't wanna see it. When we look in here, we're gonna wanna see that stovetop beautiful range hood. And then did the same thing in this room in here, as far as making it bigger. This whole space was a closet there, but it's underneath the stairway. So I got rid of it so that we can use this as like an office area. You can see how big that closet is, like a good 3 by 5 feet. Like, it's not that serious when the room is only like 10 by 12. So now this is an office nook area, and then the closet will just be right here. That's it. That'll suffice. And that's this job. That's this whole job, y'all.